Well, we can spin it. There's our hole right there. There. We got her lined up. Let's get a bolt in it. Hopefully these fit. No. Well, it looks like we're going to the store to get some bolts that fit. All right, we got some bolts. I'm going to double knot them. A little long, but oh well. So there, we got that one. We'll tighten that up. Let's go see if we can get the other side lined up. Let's see. How far are we? Yeah, we're not lined up. Can't really see this one that good, so I'm going to try and line it up with the pin. As soon as we feel that pin drop. Gotta be getting handy. Well, just have to tap it in some. You got much to bite on now. Right there. Found it. That is cold out. Okay, let's get them tightened up and get everything greased up good. There. There. Okay, well, that's not taking grease. There we go. Give that a good grease. She's squeezing her out. Let's check that other side. Just old bunch of dirt around that grease nipple. Well, that's probably why the bolts broke. We got grease coming out now. There. Lovely mess. So that's why it's important, guys, to do a good walk around when you're greasing. Check things out. I should have done it before this, waited to the last minute. We got a storm coming and we'll be out plowing tonight, but I should have done it before. But anyway, we got it fixed. I think what was happening is those pins weren't getting the proper grease they should have been, so I have to keep a better eye on that stuff. And because I think they were drying out, spinning inside and snap the bolt. I'm guessing, I'm not sure, but they're well greased now, and we're ready for the storm tonight. We got about an inch down so far. It's supposed to snow all day. Stop around 9 o'clock tonight, so we'll be out plowing tonight. We'll do some videos of that, and I think we'll head down to our contract right now. Like I say, we got about an inch, so we'll get that clean up and then hit it again tonight. So we'll catch you there. So yeah, I'd say we probably got about an inch down now, so not snowing that heavy, but it is coming down. It's been doing this, it's 1 o'clock now, it's been doing this since around 8, 9 o'clock this morning, and it's supposed to last until 9 o'clock tonight. So I think we'll probably end up with maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 inches, maybe 3 inches at the most. Don't know if we're going to get enough to do residential driveways tonight, but we definitely have to clean up our contract. We've got our nighttime energy booster here, nice chocolate bunny. Get us through the night shift. going to get much snow or not. It's still kind of spitting a little bit, but we'll see what we end up with tonight, and see whether we got to do some residential ones or not. But as of right now, it's not looking like it. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully we can get some footage tonight. If not, we'll catch you on the next one.